made this earth so beautiful and vibrant and has given us all the colors to see, taste and enjoy. It has an ingenious way of highlighting the nutrients in plants. Each color signifies different nutrients that are beneficial to us as well as to plants. And by eating all the colors of the rainbow, we get all the nutrients present in them. And this color is given to them by some chemicals known as phytochemicals. Phytochemicals literally mean plant chemicals, as phyto is a Greek word for plants. These are biologically active substances beneficial for both plants and for humans. They act as natural defense mechanism in host plants and also provide pigment to them. Although they are non-essential for us but provide us with lot of health benefits. How do these chemicals help prevent diseases in humans? They stimulate the immune system, that is body's defense mechanism. They also block the potential for carcinogens, that is cancer causing agents. They also reduce oxidation caused by free radicals that can cause abnormalities in the cells, thereby causing cancer in the humans. They also slow the growth rate of cancer cells. They reduce inflammation, trigger death of damaged cells that may be precursors to cancer. They also prevent DNA damage and help DNA repair mechanism, regulate hormones such as estrogens and insulins. Now, why are the colors so important? Interestingly, a lot of phytochemicals that are good for us also produce bright colors in vegetables and fruits. This is where the saying goes, eat your colors. It is also important to understand that each of these foods contains many different phytochemicals that can take care of different oxidation reactions in our cells. First we have the red color. Red fruits and vegetables contain phytochemicals including lycopene and anthocyanins. They reduce the risk of certain cancers, diabetes, heart disease and stroke, improve skin quality, lower the risk of macular degeneration, and also they soak up damaging free radicals. Now some tips to eat these fruits and vegetables is given. Then the orange or yellow color. Most orange and yellow foods are packed with carotenoids. They help the skin against sun and pollution. They improve immune function, promote eye health and protect vision, decrease risk of various cancers, heart disease, and they promote healthy joints. Now the tips to eat them. Green color. Green color fruits and vegetables have chlorophyll. The pigment that makes plants green is loaded with antioxidants that promote well-being. Green foods are also packed with phytonutrients and are good source of fiber as well. They aid in tissue healing, detoxify the body, provide digestive enzymes, restore energy and reduce risk of cancer. They also boost the immune system. Now the tips to eat them. Blue or purple colored fruits and vegetables are loaded with anthocyanins and resveratrol, responsible for their deep blue color. They promote longevity, reduce risk of Alzheimer's, boost memory, protect cells damage, and reduce the risk and slow the progression of cancer. They also help fight inflammation. Here are the tips to eat them. Now the white color. Although not technically a color of the rainbow, white plants promote a range of health benefits and should also be a part of healthy diet. Colored by anthocyanins, they might also contain the beneficial phytonutrients allicin and quercetin. They help protect against certain cancers, keep the bone strong, lower the risk of various heart ailments, they help lower the cholesterol, reduce inflammation and help balance the hormones. Here are some tips to eat them. Now, wise food choices. We should always make wise food choices. That is, we should always aim to include a variety of plant-based foods such as vegetables, fruits with different colors, and also we should include whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes in our daily meals. Thank you.